Viewers, the Bounty Foundation continues to touch the lives of ordinary Jamaicans through its Share If You Care campaign. The foundation, led by dancehall legend Bounty Killer and his manager Paul Bankigiscom, gifted 40 tablets to the Seaview Primary School on Thursday the 15th of April. The entertainer presented the tablets to the school's vice principal, Ms. Keisha Heslop Pezoa.
Good afternoon. Welcome to everyone. As we are here today at the Seaview Garden Primary School. As you know, Seaview Garden is my past community, and this community is at heart with me. So we are here today to make a presentation from the Bounty Foundation, and it's 40 tablets for the kids. It's all on the behalf from a great friend of mine, Miss Alcian Roach. She said she wanted me to select a school, and the first school came to mind was Seaview Garden Primary School. And here we are today with the principal, the vice principal. We are presenting you with 40 tablets for the students, and we hope this little deed can go a long way. From the Bounty Foundation and Miss Alcian Roach.
We want to say the heartiest thank you. So on behalf of the Seaview Gardens Primary family, we just want to give you this token of our appreciation. It's nothing much, but it's just to say thank you on behalf of you, Mr. Price, and Mr. Paul Bankigiscom, his manager. We're saying thank you very much, and we are very appreciative of this kind benevolence, and all the recipients, all our students who is in receipt of one. I am speaking on behalf of them. It will be appreciated. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. And I'm very appreciative of this little token, because it doesn't matter the size of a token, it's just the gesture and the whole thoughts of it. And this is from my community, so it will stay at heart with me. So you're very welcome, and we hope we can go further on and contribute and donate as whatever. As little as it is.
As small as it is.
As small as it is.
We appreciate it.
The thought count.
Yes, the thought count.
So salute.
Salute.
All right, Mr. Price, so we see that you donated 40 tablets to the Seaview Gardens Primary School. And the first question I'd like to ask you is why this school was selected for the donation to be made?
Well, if you know the history of Bounty Killer, I was grown and raised, I never born here, but I was raised half of my life in Seaview Garden. And I was here from the school was made before it came into inception until it started to function. And I have a close relationship with my community still. Some people, they like migrate and they don't really keep close relationship with their community. But my family is still here, and I'm still close with this community, so I'm always gonna be a part of Seaview Garden. So when it comes on to giving back and charity, my community always a first priority.
Yeah. And do you believe that your fellow artists are doing enough to help their communities?
Well, I don't know, because I can't tell what they are doing for their community, because sometimes people do and it's not on social media and it's not publicly known still, but I know that everyone who comes from the ghetto should always try to give back to the ghetto. That's all I can say.
And would you like to see more donations taking place to schools like this during the pandemic?
Most definitely. Not just during the pandemic, in general, because it's a small country and we are a poor country, and we all know about the struggle. So anybody who made it, if you can stretch a hand, share if you care, do it. It's a good initiative.
I am Keisha Heslop Pezoa, Vice Principal of the Seaview Gardens Primary School.
Okay, so how do you feel about receiving these tablets?
We're very appreciative of the tablets. I'm speaking on behalf of all the recipients, because at this point, with all that is happening in the pandemic, our students, we have a lot of needy students, and they will do very well with them. getting onto the social platforms where the teachers and the recipients will interact, because we still have students who are not on the platforms. Bounty Foundation, we are saying the heartiest thank you to them on behalf of all of the Seaview Gardens primary family, because it has come a far way. We are very, very appreciative, and I know that the recipients will also be very appreciative of them.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!